HomeBoost is an intelligent mains water booster pump that's fully compliant with the UK water regulations 12 litres per minute rule. It recognises when pressure and flow is low and automatically boosts the performance of the incoming mains water. HomeBoost is an inline pump designed to be installed directly on the incoming mains water supply, either immediately after the incoming mains water stop tap or directly in front of a combi boiler or other appliance. It's inexpensive, easy to install, and because there's an LED indicator on the front, it's even easier to use. For example, when the pump is in standby mode, switched on but with no water demand, the lights are on but dimmed. Once the pump starts to assist the water flow, the light rotates clockwise. The speed of the rotation indicates how hard the unit is running. When the water demand is present but the flow is maintained at 12 litres per minute, the pump automatically switches to an idle mode, represented with a repeating diagonal flash. If the flow again drops below 12 litres per minute, then the pump comes out of its idle mode to assist the water flow, again represented by the light rotating in a clockwise movement. Let's see this in action. This setup shows the outlet as a shower head. However, this HomeBoost product could be used for any outlet in the home, including taps, a combi boiler and any other household water appliance. You can see the gauges that will measure the inlet and outlet water flow, as well as inlet and outlet pressure. This setup represents a low mains pressure situation, resulting in a water flow of only 3 litres per minute. So what does that mean? Well, not enough water to have a shower, taking 30 minutes to fill a bath, and well over an hour to replenish a typical hot water cylinder and cold water tank. Not ideal in your own home. With the HomeBoost pump in standby mode, the pump automatically senses the low flow situation and boosts the low flow and pressure, highlighted here by the lights rotating clockwise, indicating that the pump is running. A closer look at the flow and pressure gauges shows the pressure boosted to 1.5 bar and the flow boosting to 12 litres per minute. The pump maintains 12 litres per minute to meet the water supply regulations of 1999. If the incoming mains water flow naturally increases to over 12 litres per minute, the assistance from the pump automatically drops to zero and the pump cycles into an idle mode, not providing any assistance to the flow. Whilst remaining in idle mode, should the mains flow reduce again naturally, the pump automatically senses this situation and restarts to assist to boost flow to within the water fitting regulations. HomeBoost, giving your mains water the boost it needs. The HomeBoost system is quick and easy to install. However, we recommend that all fitting is carried out by a competent person. Correct installation is essential for safe operation and a trouble-free system. It's therefore important that you comply with all instructions to avoid invalidating the warranty. First of all, you need to find a suitable location for the HomeBoost unit. The best possible location is on the cold water main system to the house, on rigid, fixed pipework within 2 metres of the main stop tap or the combi boiler inlet, depending on the installation. After turning off the mains water supply and draining the system, you can prepare the unit ready for fitting. You need to ensure that the unit is mounted with the inlet and outlet vertical, in an area protected from frost and with access provided for servicing. Measure up the pipework ready for cutting. Good plumbing practice is to fit full bore isolating valves into the inlet and outlet pipework of the pump to facilitate service and removal of the pump, so make sure that you leave enough room for these additional fittings. Simply position the pump in line, tighten up the connections to ensure that it's watertight and you're ready for commissioning. With the HomeBoost installed, flush the inlet pipework and carefully fill the pump with water by opening all the water outlets before electrically switching the pump on. This will ensure that the air has been discharged from the connecting pipework and pump chamber. Next, turn on the mains electrical supply. The green pump lights on the logo label should be lit and steady. This indicates that the power is on and that the pump is ready for use. Once you turn a cold outlet on, HomeBoost should activate and the green light should rotate, indicating that the pump is in operation and providing the extra support to the incoming water flow.
This unit, you just fit it, plug it in and it works. it gives them pressure. There's nothing complicated about it. It just, basically any plumber will be able to fit it in within an hour in an easy installation. But there isn't any alternatives, apart from digging the whole garden up, putting a new water main in. Still might not cure the problem. You still may have low pressure, but this unit solves that. They've got pressure now. A shower will work when a tap's running downstairs. It just solves the problem. Happy customer.
If your installation is complicated or if you have any other questions, please consult the Pumpwise Technical Helpline immediately on 0191 516 2002. Additional help can also be found throughout this website.